It just came today. The Geek Fuel box. I'm actually recording this on Monday, but I'll put this up Tuesday. But I do want to open this now. Literally open. Okay. We have a bonus. Something called Ghostland. What the hell is this? Here's the tin. And the lid's inside. You can kind of see what it is, but it's like got bonus on it. I don't really know what it is, so look at it. Open the rest, and let's see. We've got the Geek Guide. We've got Kingdom Wars, the downloadable game code. Yeah, I know I don't show it, but let's see. We have a blind box, Scribble Knots on Masks, which has various superheroes in it. We have Jelly Belly Star Wars. The flavors are Sparkling Berry Blue, Sparkling Blueberry, Sparkling Grape Soda, Green Apple, Sour Apple, Island Punch, and Blackberry. Not exactly something I'd eat. I'll give those to my husband. We've got mini candy sticks. One got a little squished, but that'll happen. I'll taste one of those in a minute. We've got the shirt. Which I'm unfolding upside down. It is the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles in April O'Neil cosplaying as the Avengers. That's actually fucking hilarious. Donatello is Hawkeye. April O'Neil is obviously Black Widow. I'm guessing Leonardo is Captain America. Michelangelo is Thor, so he gets all the cool thunder powers. And Raphael is perfectly enough Tony Stark, aka Iron Man. So that's kind of interesting. So let's taste a candy stick, because I don't think they have flavors. Yeah, they're based as expected. These are like, this is what you'd give like little kids in a bag. A bit crunchier than the cigarettes I use. A bit fruitier and sweeter too, because those are more minty. I'm talking about those, the king size candies I usually, if I get frustrated with the game, I'll start chewing on those. Not bad. This is not food. Look at this. I got a mug. Oh god, no. I'm getting a banana aftertaste with those now. Blah. That's why I didn't usually eat candy sticks. They always had that weird banana aftertaste, except for the ones I use. I like those. Break Stuff Club. Brain, athlete, criminal? Starting with a journalist and criminal. Princess basket case. Gee, which one belongs to the Hulk? I'll give you a hint. It's not in one piece. Why is Loki in freaking Thor's locker? What the hell? This is the start of a bad cartoon. I kind of like it though. I do like mugs. It's not big though, so I'd have to use it like maybe for cocoa or something. If my favorite mug is currently indisposed by being dirty. Oh, my fingers are in the shot. Apologies. I do have a favorite mug for tea. It's like really big though, because I really like tea. Let's check out this ghost thing. Well, that's okay. That sounds very interesting. I might even put it in a bag. Ghostland. Warning, choking hazard. No kidding. I have Working stiff. Boring me stiff. Oh, come on. I could have gotten the really cool one, like Ghost Fighter. Like Bump looks kind of interesting. Pegleg would have been awesome. These things at least glow in the dark. If you're going to advertise ghost stuff, you might as well have it, like, glow in the dark. Yeah, I'm probably going to end up giving this to a friend. I can't even tell if it glows in the dark. It's transparent, so it looks ghostly. Yeah. The tin's nice, so I'll be ashamed to give up the tin, but to be perfectly honest... Again, my fingers are shot, sorry. Perfectly honest, this doesn't really... What I got in it's not very good, so... This is going in the gift pile. I think my Christmas grab bag this year is going to be a random assortment of things that I don't want, because I don't have any way to put them together. Or Geek Chic or something. Now I'm opening the Scribble Knots Unmasked thing, which is going to be a feat because they pretty much made it so you can never get into it. You know what? By the way, a little bonus for you. This is my knife. That is my knife hitting my phone. Okay, doing this one is a bad idea. And this, we'll use the soda bottle as comparison. That is how big this knife is unfolded. Why am I using this to open a box, you ask? Because I'm mental. And it actually worked. Look at all those cartoons where the guy has like this giant ass knife to use it for like the simplest, smallest thing. I'll put it up here. It's not safe to wield it. Okay, we open the box and we have... Oh, it's clear. Ah. Okay, I got the gold Wonder Woman. I asked her, she was on the box. Question mark out of 18. Okay, so I probably got like a second Myris or something. But that's actually kind of cool. I will be keeping this. A little notebook stand too. They're out. Plus I'll give me a chance to fold up my knife. It's like a statue of Wonder Woman than Wonder Woman herself. Really? We're going to be doing like multiple bags? It's plastic. How badly can it get destroyed in shipping if it's already basically... Sorry. I'm technically still recovering from a cold. At least the Geek Feel box came when my voice was in normal mode. Maybe it's this way? Okay, I think I found a problem. Things move all over the place. Can't... Oh my... Ah. There we go. Let's put it right here. Hold up my knife before I do anything else. By the way, no, this knife is not legal anywhere. I cannot take it out of the house. I keep it as utility. I don't think I can get in big trouble for having it in the house because it is basically just a collectible thing, and I did use it for like something utilitarian. But there you go. There is Wonder Woman. Ready to go in the currently messy, not so live studio audience. It's because the cats kind of decided to have a field day in here. I had just fixed it up too. But it's nice to have a new member. Too bad the ghost couldn't go in. Could have gotten something really cool, but no, I had to get something stupid and boring. Was everyone going to get that, or what? I'm taking the bonus sticker off of it because, well, yeah. Geek. Let's see, yeah, we got the Triple Assemble t-shirt thing. And then I'm going to try the Jelly Bellies. I'm just going to give those to my husband because he likes them more than I do. While I'm throwing my stuff out. Getting... Yeah, the inside of the box is always the same. They're not getting fancy with it like Loot Crate does. The candy sticks are kind of an emergency thing. Let me see the Geek Fuel thing. Oh, the theme is teams. Okay, that actually kind of makes sense. Okay, they're talking about the Kingdom Wars thing. Let me go one page at a time. Let's see. Oh, it's just folded up, wrinkled up a little bit. It doesn't really tell you what's in them. That's shitty. At least Loot Crate will tell you. Oh, hey, this is... Oh, hey, cool! Hi, Helsing! Helsing, you're now in one of my review videos. How do you like it? Oh, best video wins. That's actually kind of cool. Hey, maybe I have a chance at winning this. He's a little... But that would be actually really good promotion, because that means people actually start looking at my channel. So yeah, things to look for. So Geekfeel, if you are seeing this, I am entering your contest formally in this video. Make me win. I want the views. Jokes aside, it wasn't a bad box. I mean, the mug's kind of nice. The shirt's kind of cool. Maybe it actually fits me. A little disappointed in which ghost thing I got, but I'm guessing it was random. And I like the gold Wonder Woman. And yeah, I'm giving the Jelly Bellies to my husband. He would probably like these a bit better than I would. Although I love the idea of them sparkling. They don't look like they sparkle in the bag, though. Well, not hard to make food glitter. I mean, there is edible glitter out there. So yeah, I'll catch you guys later. Bye!